In our Monday excursion through the structure of St. Mark's, we've finally gotten to our boards. There are 7 of those dividing the various ministries of our congregation, and each board consists in 3 men, a chairman who serves also on the ministry council, a vice chairman, and a secretary. Our board for pastoral ministry has as its secretary Kevin Larish, as its vice chairman Dick McWilliams, and as its chairman Pastor Emeritus Jeff Mittelstadt. In fact, during all the 20 years that we've had the present board structure, we've been blessed always to have a pastor as a chairman of our Board of Pastoral Ministry. The Board of Pastoral Ministry is tasked with various things. Supervision of our worship services is one of those. Some general communication to the congregation is another. The pastoral care of our sick and shut-ins is a part of the work of the Board of Pastoral Ministry, as is the supervision and encouragement of the pastors. See, some years ago we sensed that people were wondering, to whom do the pastors answer? And it's true we answer to God, but it's also good for us to answer directly to our congregation. And the way we do that is through the Board of Pastoral Ministry. That, by the way, usually takes place in monthly meetings, the first Tuesday of the month from 8 to 9 in the morning in the parish center. All the pastors are present as well as advisory members. And early each year we have pastoral reviews, each one of us, which the Board of Pastoral Ministry always succeeds in making very encouraging. The work of our boards, and especially the Board of Pastoral Ministry, is important work. After all, Ephesians chapter 4, verses 11 through 13 says, it was Christ who gave some to be apostles, some to be prophets, some to be evangelists, and some to be pastors and teachers, to prepare God's people for works of service so that the body of Christ may be built up. How about that? You're part of the body of Christ. In baptism, you were incorporated into his body. Through his word, we grow in the body of Christ. We are blessed to receive even Christ's true body and blood. And where Christ's body is ascended in order to fill heaven and earth, there we also will someday be in paradise. Be sure to pray for the work of your boards, and have a great week.